Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. For today's video, we're going to be doing something a little different. I did get a box in the mail from Influenster. I did open it. I have been using the products, by the way, because I had to review them on the app, but I'll go into a little bit of detail about what the app is and how you guys can get free products as well. But before we get started, be sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post bell notifications so you never miss a new video like this one. And follow me on my social media, which will be down in the description box below. As you can see, I probably look the same as the previous video. That is because I'm filming this on the same day. So I'm going to go ahead and just open this box up. This is by Influencer. If you guys don't know what Influencer is, it's basically an app where you connect all your social media, review products, ask questions, post products that you love. You can even scan products in with a barcode and write a review about that. And basically, the more active you are on that account, the more you ask questions, the more you comment on posts, the more you review products. Like, the more you're active, likely that you are to receive a box. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys what is in this box. I don't have one of the items in the box because it was food related and I wanted to keep it downstairs out of the way so it didn't go bad. Inside the box, you do get a card, and the card that I got was the Year of You Vox box. Those are what they are, Vox boxes. And once you get it, you have to go to the app and say you received the box, or you could go to like through by email, which is how I did it. And you basically have to review the products, post them on your social media, and on the back of the card will tell you everything that you got. So the only thing I don't have is the Classico pasta, and I think pasta sauce, and I think mine was the garlic sauce one. I'm not quite sure, but all the other products I do have in front of me. So we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into it, and I will tell you the prices for everything too. So if you guys want to try the sauce out, by the way, it is about $2.78. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with all this stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna grab is this Gold Bond Overnight Deep Moisturizer. I've been using this every night and then putting fuzzy socks on my feet, and so far I believe it's working really good. It has hyaluronic acid and a calming scent, and it penetrates 10 layers of skin. Now, I used to dance a lot, so my feet have like dancer feet basically. So I use this and it makes my feet feel so soft and smooth. It has a nice scent. It feels great on the feet. It's like not tingly, it's like cooling sensation, and I do really enjoy that. And my feet definitely feel softer after using that. And this retails for about $7.99, and it is an 8-ounce bottle. So the next thing I got is this Suave Spray Deodorant in Wild Cherry Blossom. It just looks like this. It has a little, I think you can see it. It has like a little spray. 48 hours of protection. I have been using this again as well, testing it out. When you spray it on your armpits, it sounds like a little weird, but when you spray it, you don't feel sticky and it's not wet. It's like a dry spray. And it, like, you know, it feels good. It doesn't feel like when you apply the stick deodorant. I do really enjoy this product as well. There is 3.8 ounces in here, and I kind of like spray from far away. And that retails for $4.48. And the last thing in this box, I got 5 items. Technically 5 items, but I'm reviewing 4. I got Kiss lashes in the style Dreamy. These are what they look like. They are so pretty. I love Kiss lashes. They are so inexpensive and lightweight and pretty, and they are so natural looking. I have like 4 pairs of Kiss lashes. I have not worn these yet. I have worn the other ones. I think I have Shy and Chic, and I can't wait to wear these. I'm not the best at applying fake lashes, but when I do apply them, they look so pretty and natural. So Kiss lashes could retail anywhere from $3.99 to $6.99, and I think I always go with this type of pack, so I believe it's like $3.99. And these are the True Volume lashes. And I also got with the lashes to apply them. I got the Kiss strip lash adhesive with aloe oil. It just looks like this. It says it's waterproof and it's in the shade clear, and I was so happy I got this. It's latex free and there's 5 grams in this. I know this was like a little bit of like a short video, but I just wanted to show you guys everything that you get in that box, and I would really suggest downloading the app. Everyone is so positive on that app. Like honestly, I post all my eye looks that I do on there, and everyone always comments, likes them. They're so pretty. I always go through like the post, like the community tab it's called, and I comment and I like everyone's pictures and comment like if they ask questions. I also follow everyone back who comments on my posts or that comments on like questions that I ask, and I was so excited to get this. If you guys follow me on my social media, you probably saw that I posted this on my Instagram story, and I love this. I'm so grateful that I got this. I just want to say thank you to Goldbond, Suave, Kiss, Classico, and Influencer for sending me this box. These all were sent to me free. You did not have to pay for shipping. You did not have to pay to get these products. They are specifically sent to you free. All you have to do is once you get the box, reply to like click the button that says that you did get the box, and you have to post it all over your social media. So I posted it to my Twitter, my Instagram, and to the Influencer app, and I'm also making a video on it, of course. And there are hashtags. Like once you check the box in, you'll be able to do like badges so you can get more boxes. So I tagged all the hashtags, tagged all the brands and influencer on my pictures and everything like that. I was so grateful that I got all these products to test out, and so far I'm loving every one of them. And I can't wait to get more of these boxes in the future to show you guys. If you guys have any questions on how to use Influencer, it's like a little confusing at the beginning. Trust me, I could do a dedicated video to Influencer, or I could comment down below and tell you guys a little bit more about it if you guys leave specific comments in my comment section, or you guys could DM me on Instagram and ask like how do I use Influencer, and I will try to describe it as best I can for you. But I definitely would recommend getting this if you definitely love reviewing products, testing products out. This is a good app. Yeah, that is about it for this video. I'm sorry it was kind of short, but there was only like 5 items, and one of the items I don't have with me because it is downstairs. But so far, like I said, I'm loving all the products. These are products that I've never tried besides the Kiss lashes, so it's really good. I mean, I haven't tried this style of Kiss lashes yet, but I think it's good that I got these, and it came in a box, so I know what it was, and it was completely sent to me free. And it got here pretty fast once I got the email. So yeah, so if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Again, comment down below if you guys do have questions, comment them down below. I will try my best to give you as much detail about the app as possible. And also follow me on my social media. Be sure you subscribe and turn on the post bell notification so you never miss any video like this one. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!